Welcome back to Andrew's Journeys, and today we are showing you how to make a game. So you want to go to flowlab.io. You want to click the button. There'll be a button up top, like around here. We'll say login or sign up for free. Put sign up for free. Then when you sign up for free, your password and email and such you put in place and okay. So, or you can just copyright your stuff. Okay. So then after you sign up free, you click login, and then you copy and paste if you did copy and stuff or something. I don't know why you would copy and paste. That would take you so long. Okay. So best way, just memorize. Um. Memorize your. Just memorize your passwords and email and what you put in. Okay, so after you do that, you want to click My Games after you log in. Then you want to click New Game right here. And then it should take you to this right here. So then you want to click Empty Project or Tutorial. If you're new to this, you might want to click Tutorial. It'll teach you all the stuff. But why would you click that when I'm basically just showing you right now? So why? Why would you want to click that if I'm showing you? So you just click Empty Project, okay? Okay. You want to go to the game levels. You want to click this, and just choose your background. Let's say you want pink background. There you go, pink background. Yellow, lime, green, yellow, whatever. You want to just normal blue sky. Just do blue. Or you can just have an orange one, like if you're in a lava place or something. Or you can do purple. We'll just keep it blue. You don't have to keep it blue. You just can. Okay, then there's your background right here. I just did a light blue, kind of like a sky. And you want to go to settings. You want to make this bigger and this bigger. Okay? These are just gravity, X and Y. So you don't want to. Okay, then you go right here. You can name your game. We'll just call this showing. No. We'll just call this example. Do not know how to spell example, so sorry if I spelled it wrong. Okay, so you want to press OK after you do that. Then you want to click anywhere. There we go, create. Then you want to click this, edit sprite. So you could make your own sprite. So if you want to make your own sprite, just click this X right here. Or they have these. Don't do that, or so you have to pay. If you don't want to pay, and if you want it for free, if you want to stay for free, their limit is 3 games, and if you want to make even more games, you have to pay. Okay? So don't press this button, or so you have to pay for more sprite options. So here's all our categories right here. So there's my sprites. Oh, we are on my sprites. So my sprites tutorial. These are just pre-made sprites they already have for you. Pixel blocks, pixel characters, pixel objects, and pixel town. And if you want to pay, then click this option. If you want even more sprites, then click this option. But just a warning, you have to pay if you click this. Okay. So we'll just go with this dude right here. Or you can just make your own. You could, or we could just do this dude. It can be a bush. Yeah, we'll just do this dude. Or we'll just, no. Actually, no. We'll do pixel character. And there's a lot of things I want to show you guys, so I'm just gonna make these episodes in parts. Part 1, part 2, all that kind of fun stuff and such. So I'll just do this dude. Well, not this guy. I'll just do this dude right here. I'll just do this. Or you can do one of these cats or dogs or something. I'm just gonna stay with this dude, okay? Pixel character. I'm just gonna do this guy. So then I'm gonna show you how to make him look like he's walking. So new animation, my animation. We'll just call us walking. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add another one. I'm gonna do this dude, okay? Another one. Do this dude, and you do as many as you want. This dude, and yeah. You just keep repeating them. They'll look like that. And if you want to slow it down, you just press the minus button right there. And or speed it a little. It's a little too fast. Or we can make something silly like after this dude, add another frame. We can do something silly like this. Add another one like this. And something silly like that. And then just does that. Or you can add, you can just do whatever you want. I'll just delete these frames. I'll get review. Okay, we have to delete these frames right here. I just want 3 of them. Right. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down. 3 I would say is the best thing to do. And then it just does this. Wee. Okay, so now physics. You want to make it movable. Okay. And then edit. Want to go to behaviors. Behaviors and bundle. Run and jump right here. Okay, I'm gonna take that. Run and jump. Okay. Now you can run and jump. Okay. But to make our animation actually work, we probably should put some blocks here. So we'll get some blocks to place. And pixel blocks. Oops. Pixel blocks. There we go. So okay. We just want this one. Okay. So you want to place it right there. Okay. There we go. Edit. Here's we'll go here. Open bundle. We want to go to properties right here. We want to turn properties. We want to click animation. We want to go click this right here with key with what says left, down, this down one with the down wire right here. Start. Right, down, wire, start. Okay. So edit. no, not edit. We're gonna clone this. Once you click on it, and then you can clone it however you like. I'm just gonna do straight or whatever you want, like this. And okay, I probably want to delete that, or it's not gonna be possible. Do whatever you want. All crazy. Okay, edit. Behave. Okay. So now we want to open this bundle again. Click on it. Bundle. Now we want to go to the one right after logic and math. Below logic and math. Then you want to click sound. Okay. So if you like, with video games, they usually make a sound when you jump. But right now, he's not making any sound. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. I'm going to choose sound effect. Then I want to do 8-bit movement jumping. And then you go through all these. And there's another page over here. You can just go through all of these. I'll just make it quick. I'll just choose number 7. Yeah. And then you can loop the sound if you want. I don't think you want to do that. And like this, you want to connect the play wire to the down wire where it says up right here. That's when that up is where you're gonna jump. So the animation, if you want to, you can loop it. I don't think you want to loop it. Okay, so then when you stop this, so when we jump, it makes the sound, and with the jump, you don't have to choose number 7. I just chose number 7 to make it go quick. You can choose whatever one you want. And now it makes a sound, and that's kind of loud. You could do the same thing with the walking too. So we stop this. So we can do the same thing like we did with the animation. Down, play, the same thing you do with the animation. And I bet there's some walking one. Choose sound, effect, bit, movement. They're walking. It's falling. Is there walking in here? Does not look like. Well, we'll just make a silly sound. We'll just make him, when he walks, makes a coin sound. You can do whatever you want. Or even funnier. Wait, back. Oh, they don't have walking. Man, I'll just do movement. Doors, footsteps. Here we go. I don't know which one. I'll go with it. No. Let's see what that is like. That sounds weird. Okay, that just sounds weird. It's 8-bit. 8-bit first movement. Footsteps. What does that sound like? Okay, maybe we'll get rid of it. Stop. Get rid of. Right, but as you guys can see, you can do the same thing. It sounds weird. It just sounds weird. Okay. I'm just gonna open bundle. I'll just we'll, we'll do we'll just do we'll just nah, not that. We'll just do coins, okay. Okay, we'll just do coins. Ready? Ready, we're gonna do it. We'll just do it for fun. That's fun and funny. Okay, open bundle. You just mess around, do whatever you want. Effect. 8-bit. Wait, no. Wait, wrong. Yes, we'll do it for. We'll also do it for the left too. I got serious. As you guys can see, we can just do it for fun. And yeah, this is part 1. Okay, I'm probably gonna delete all this and remake the ground. This is part 1. Next one, I'm gonna show you the enemies and such. So, bye!